Hello and welcome to our series Fun with Fusion. In this 6-part series we will attempt to turn this old clip into this new version. Join me as over the next 1 hour 40 minutes I go over each step required in order for this effect to work well. In part 2 we set up the project and have a good look at the footage to assess what is required. In part 3, we do the green screen removal. In part 4, we look at the skin replacement with the surface tracker tool with inside Fusion. In part 5, we recolour the eyes to match in with the rest of the composition. In part 6, we discolour the teeth and look at our conclusion. I'd just like to go through what this actual series is. As a main, it's just a test to see if the skin replacement is achievable with Inside Resolve. Are all the tools required inside Resolve Studio? What it is not is a full training course. We will make mistakes and we will go down the wrong path occasionally. We are not trying to make this effect perfect. The whole object is, can a skin replacement be done with Inside Resolve Studio using the service tracker? Right, let's head over to part 2 and make a start.